Hello everybody and welcome to Kee'S and the Fam. Guys, today, oh my goodness, I am making another Chicago style sandwich. If you all have not heard of Maxwell Street pork chop sandwich, clearly you are not from Chicago. So what you'll need pork chops. You will need cheese, Cajun seasoning, black pepper and garlic powder, plenty of onions, hamburger buns, and mustard. You got that?
Yep.
So what we're getting ready to do, we have our grease getting hot. So we're gonna we're gonna season these pork chops. And a lot of people in Chicago, they use seasoning salt. Why would you do that if your pork chop is already salty? But hey, your house, you do whatever you want to do. But at Kee'S and the Fam house, we don't do that. So we're going to go in with our Cajun seasoning. We're going to flip this over.
I wanted to talk to you guys very quickly about a collab that we have with a company called Rose Forever New York. They reached out to us and we are so honored to be working with this company. Rose Forever creates luxurious handcrafted bouquets. These packages are very chic and the roses come in so many different colors. You can choose the box that you want it to come in. They have it in crystal, pink velvet, and black velvet. They have it in very large sizes as well as mini packages. We chose the black velvet gray package. As you guys can see, it is absolutely stunning. It's really beautiful. You can put these roses anywhere from your bedroom, living room, dining room. It adds a really nice feminine touch. So, did I mention these roses last for a year? That's right, a whole year. That's incredible. That is another reason why this will make a great gift. If you are interested in ordering this product, all of the information is in the description box below. Right now there's a fall sale going on, so if I were you, I would take advantage of that. To get 15% off of your entire order, use the code KEE'S15. This sale is going to be going on for 30 days, so if I were you, I would start looking. Honestly, you guys do not want to miss this opportunity. Thank you so much, Rose Forever, for reaching out to us. Once again, we are really honored to be working with you all. Thank you so much to all of our subscribers for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
And we're gonna go back in with our Cajun seasoning. And no, you don't put flour on a Chicago style pork chop sandwich. You can't do that. Now we're gonna go in with our garlic powder. And now as you can see, our grease is hot. And always, when you get a Chicago style, it's always a ball in the center. Always a ball. So we're gonna put this we're gonna put these pork chops in our grease. And what you do, you're allowed to cook for like 3 minutes on each side. Then you'll drain that grease out of there. You'll leave a little grease just on the bottom so you can go back in, put those onions in there, and put those pork chops in there. Once I flip the pork chops, I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so now I'm getting ready to flip these pork chops over. Y'all be ready to flip. So now what we're gonna allow them to cook on this side for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna drain this oil. So just stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to take my pork chops out, and no, they are not ready. We're gonna take this grease out of here, and I will bring you guys back. Okay guys, so we've taken some of this grease out of here. You can still hear it popping. We're gonna put our pork chops back in here. And now we're going to add our onions. And yes, guys, we use a lot of onions in Chicago. So we're going to let these onions cook up, and we're going to let these pork chops finish cooking, and I will bring you guys back. Well, guys, as you can see, my pork chops are just about done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let them cook for a minute or two. I'm going to let them sit for about 5 minutes, and I will bring you guys back once I get ready to make the sandwiches. Well, guys, I have my tater tots. Got a piece of cheese up under there that's melting. So we're going to add some onions to this because that's what we do in Chicago. Is that enough onions?
Nope.
What you tell them, Key?
That's not enough onions. Yeah.
Now that's enough onions. What's missing?
La mustard.
Mustard. So guys, we're getting ready to put some mustard on this pork chop sandwich. We're gonna put that top. The pork chop is always bigger than the actual buns. Y'all see that? Wait a minute. We gotta put some ketchup on these tater tots. You getting that burger? You getting that pork chop sandwich?
That's mine, right?
This is my husband. So we're gonna put some ketchup on there. And guys, that's a Chicago style pork chop sandwich with cheese. Please don't put no ketchup on this, because if you're in Chicago and we see you put, we would clearly know that you are not from Chicago. So guys, I hope you like this video. Share this video, comment down below, hit the notification bell so you will know every time we're in the kitchen. And it is okay if you have a little crisp on your buns and on the, they know that's good flavor. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thumbs this video up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.